Hey everyone, back tuning into the final update for the Le Mans event, which is coming up at the weekend. We've been doing these updates on behalf of the Pistonheads community, who are taking their trip to Le Mans, annual trip that they take every year, see the event, and they asked Autoviz to do a few forecasts for them for this event. So we've been doing that over the past couple of weeks. This will be the last one, because I think a lot of you are already there, and those that aren't will be going very shortly. So don't suppose there's any point in doing anymore. So this will be the last update, and of course we've had the pattern nailed down now for quite some time. So we're going to be very showery up to the weekend, then over the weekend for the event itself it's going to be a bit of a drying trend. So I'll talk you through the details one last time so you know what to expect. But very going back to very quick to say about the ads at this website. There's links to articles on pages, camera browse widgets, click from links. You help to page website. Thanks so much for doing that. So we'll start off. Well, we've been starting off with today's weather, but actually, of course, today's over, and a lot of you are already there. So we'll start off with tomorrow's weather, Thursday, 16th of June. Same idea as we've had for several of these updates. Been fairly good performance by the GFS model, actually. I'm quite pleased with how it's performed with these updates. So trough of low pressure is in the north and the west of Europe, particularly affecting the UK and France. And the upper air temperatures pretty cool for the time of year. The summer heat is pushed off into Mediterranean, the southeast of Europe. Lots of heavy showers breaking out tomorrow across France, and there could be thunderstorms mixed in there as well. There's some deep blue colours indicating a chance of torrential rain in some places across France, and perhaps particularly in the north of France where you are in Le Mans. So it's not a great outlook for tomorrow's weather. Do take your waterproofs if you're not there yet. There'll be big showers around tomorrow and chance of thunder. Temperatures disappointing really, 17, 18 degrees. You might be able to increase that to 20 or 21, but certainly nothing to write home about. Look, the heat, summer heat is in the east and the southeast of Europe, and that's where it's staying for the time being. For Friday, again, a lot of you will be travelling over to Le Mans on Friday, so same idea, we keep this low pressure in the north and the west of Europe. Upper air temperatures remain cool. There are going to be more showers breaking out during the course of Friday across France. Could be some really big showers in there, possibility of thunderstorms. Certainly can't rule out, giving flash flooding, so your tents could be flooded out, unfortunately, in this sort of scenario. Hopefully you'll get lucky and miss a lot of these showers, but the potential is there. Temperatures, very disappointing really, 18 or 19 Celsius. Increase that perhaps 21, so enough to write home about. The first day of Le Mans itself, Saturday, is looking still fairly unsettled. The Azores High, as we know, when we've been doing these updates, the Azores High is being forecast to throw up a little bit of a ridge over the weekend. Taking its time coming in, so Saturday could still be relatively showery. Actually, upper air temperatures remain cool. There's a risk of showers breaking out on Saturday afternoon. I don't think they'll be as heavy or as widespread or as intense across France on Saturday afternoon. So you have a much better chance of missing them and staying dry. But nevertheless, there is still a risk of showers for day one of Le Mans, which I suppose is a little bit of a change on the recent update, because it had suggested that both Saturday and Sunday should be mostly dry. But there is a risk of showers here on Saturday afternoon, albeit not as heavy, not as intense or thundery as those over the next couple of days. Temperatures maybe lifting up a little bit, possibly up to 21 or 22 degrees, so a little bit better with the temperatures. And then Sunday, the last day of Le Mans, looks by far the best day out of all of this, with the Azores High throwing this ridge in across the UK and France, holding off this area of low pressure that is out in the Atlantic. So it means that the upper air temperatures do lift up a little bit with that ridge from the Azores, because the sun is very strong this time of year, so that will increase the temperatures as well. And it's still suggesting a chance of one or two showers across central parts of France, but I think mainly dry day for Sunday. Fingers crossed that you'll get a completely dry day on Sunday. And temperatures, they still don't look much to write home about, but I would have thought in the sunshine we should go up to around 22 or 23 degrees, and it should certainly feel a lot warmer. But watch out for a fairly cold night on Saturday night. So, well, that's it for the final update for Le Mans. It's going to be a changeable period, particularly from now through to Friday. Expect heavy showers and thunderstorms, a drying trend over weekend, and Sunday, the last day, does look the best in terms of the weather. So all it remains is to say have a great time and enjoy the event. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching.